top bar, and the central window. Here you'll find the tools needed to navigate the project, its view modes, and its editing modes. From left to right, we have File Tools, where the disk icon saves the project to our server, the back arrow undoes the last action, the forward arrow redoes the last undone action. Next are the view modes: Plans for working on the project's 2D floor plans, Model for working with and visualizing the project in 3D, Cost for working on the project's budget. Then comes the navigation bar, which is the main tool for moving through the project. It works more or less the same in any view mode. It has 5 levels. Route level, the project name itself. In Plans or Model view mode, it takes you to the site view. In Cost view mode, it takes you to the budget summary, which details ratios and soft costs. Site level, this is where you work with all the buildings on the plot. It is divided into above grade, where you create and edit the buildings, and below grade, where you design and optimize basements and circulation for efficiency. Building level, this tells you which building in the project you're viewing. In Model view mode, it shows the building in 3D. In Plans mode, it centers the view on that building. And in Cost mode, it shows the budget for that specific building. Floor level, this takes you to the selected floor of the building you're working on. Unit level, this brings you to the selected apartment unit within the current floor and building. You can move back up a level using the up arrow just before the navigation bar. You can also easily switch between buildings, floors, or units directly within the navigation bar. It works similarly to a web page or Windows Explorer because your project is also a data structure. Don't miss the next video to keep learning more about our platform.